Meaning of gurdwara.
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 Gurdwara. Gurdwara is a term from the Sikh religion, referring to a place of worship and community gathering. It can be translated as doorway to the Guru, with the Guru being the Sikh holy scriptures. Gurdwaras often have a central prayer hall, where Sikhs come to pray and listen to scripture readings and hymns. They may also offer communal meals, known as langar, to promote equality and sharing. The Gurdwara serves as a hub for the Sikh community, providing a space for spiritual reflection and social connection.